Article 1221, likely from the law on obligations and contracts, states the way in which the obligation can be extinguished or indeed. First, by payment of performance. This means the obligation is fulfilled when the debtor has made the payment or performed the service that they were obligated to do. By the loss of the thing due is the second. If the thing that was to be delivered is lost or destroyed through no fault of the debtor and before they have delivered, the obligation is extinguished. By the donation or remissions of the debt is the third. This means when the creditor voluntarily abandons the right, either in whole or in part, resulting in the extinguishment of the debtor obligations. Fourth is by confusions or merger of the right of creditor and debtor. This when the rules of the debtor and creditor become indistinguishable, leading to the extinguishment of the obligations. Fifth is compensation by compensation. This happens when the obligation of the two parties who are reciprocally debtor and creditor of each other are extinguished to the extent that one amount covers the other. 6. The final, by novation. By novation. This is the substitution or change of the obligation by subsequently one which terminates the first, either by changing the object or principal conditions, by substituting the person of the debtor, or subrogating a third person in the right of the creditor. Other causes of extinguishment of obligations such as annulment, rescissions, fulfillment of resolutory conditions and prescriptions are governed elsewhere in this code. Exact interpretation and application of these points can vary based on the specific circumstances and the jurisdiction where this law is applied. That's all.